OPPO is expected to expand its Find X9 lineup with two new models. One of them is rumored to be the Find X9s Pro, a compact smartphone. The rumored Find X9s Pro may feature a 6.32-inch flat display supplied by Tianma. The panel is said to have a 1.5K resolution and use LTPS technology, paired with LiPo packaging to keep the bezels thin. Security could rely on a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Powering the device will be the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset. As for the cameras, the primary camera is said to use a 200MP Samsung HP5 sensor, another 200MP HP5 sensor and a 3x periscope telephoto setup, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, a battery larger than 7000 mAh. Charging speeds are expected to reach 80W wired. The phone is also tipped to include IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.